In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the product activation failed error in Microsoft Word. If you're facing this issue, don't worry. I'll walk you through some troubleshooting steps that should help resolve the problem completely. Let's get started. First, to fix this problem, close the Word app completely. After that, open File Explorer on your computer and go to your local drive C. Here, you should see two folders, Program Files and Program Files x86. The folder you need to open depends on the type of Office you have installed. If your Office is 64-bit, open the Program Files folder. If it's 32-bit, open the Program Files x86 folder. In this case, since I have a 64-bit version of Office, I'll open the Program Files folder. Next, find and open the Microsoft Office folder, and then open the Office 16 folder. If you have Office installed, you'll find the corresponding folders for those versions as well. Inside the Office 16 folder, look for a file named ospp.vbs. Right-click on this file, and from the context menu, select Run as Administrator. A command prompt window will open and close automatically. You'll need to do this 3 times in total. Right-click and run the file as an administrator 3 times, and your activation error should be fixed. To check if it worked, go back to the search bar and type Word again. Open Microsoft Word, and you should see that the activation wizard pop-up no longer appears. When you open a blank document, the product activation failed error will be gone. That's all for today's video. I hope this helps you get rid of that frustrating activation error. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.